Okay, good morning, kids. Nice to meet you today, and I'm going to discuss about the exercise that I have given to you last 2 days. Yeah, so I think it's better for you to open your result. Yeah, dibuka hasilnya. You open the paper to see your answer. Yeah, and hopefully you answer it by yourself, karena materi-materi ini nanti akan keluar di di final test ya. So I hope you can I hope you have answered all question correctly. Alright, so we start from the multiple choice. Yeah, you see about the movie review or film review. Yeah, this review is used to answer number 1 until number 5. Okay, so have you opened your paper, your answer? Okay, good. Let's start from number 1. Skyfall is blah 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 blah, blah film. The answer is yes, correct. An action. Yeah, we'll bold the answer, an action. How could I see the answer, sir? You may see this one. Nah, ini dia, action film. Jawabannya dari sini. Okay. Number 2, the film blah 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 in 2012. In the text you see release in 2012. Release itu artinya film itu ditayangkan. Kalau ditayangkan berarti jawabannya came out in cinemas. Okay, number 2, we move to number 3. There are blah 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 Istanbul, Shanghai, Macau, London, Scotland. As you see in this paragraph, the film is set in a variety of location. Is set. Kalau ada kata is set, itu maksudnya apa? Jadi film itu diproduksi, ya, itu mengambil beberapa tempat, contohnya Istanbul, Shanghai, dan sebagainya. That's why the answer should be scenes in. Next, number 4, the writer. Kira-kira the writer dari teks ini, ya, terhadap Javier Bardem's performance seperti apa? Had no opinion, didn't really like, doesn't like. These are not the answer, because the answer is especially liked. Okay, we have been in number 4, so now we move to number 5. The writer thinks the film is exciting, menarik, ya. Kalau funny nggak mungkin. Funny, hilarious, amusing, itu sama semua maknanya. Kocak bahasanya, ya. Okay, now we move to number 6. My Stupid Boss. You know the movie? I hope ya. It's a blah 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 comedy. Karena udah comedy, maka jawabannya adalah hilarious. Betul, ya. That's why I told you before in number 5, funny, hilarious, amusing. They have the same meaning. Ya, terrifying itu terrify lah ya. Maksudnya agak-agak lah ya. Spooky, terrifying itu agak-agak. Terrifying itu kayak terrify itu serem lah ya. Kalau spooky itu apa? Ya, spooky hampir sama kayak terrifying, dia serem. Oke, scary apalagi ya. Nah, we move to number 7. The characters in animation film. Ayo, animasi. Kalau animasi itu kan dia hampir sama kayak kartun-kartun gitu kan. Berarti dia look lifelike. Apa maksudnya lifelike, sir? Lifelike itu maksudnya terlihat seperti ya, hidup gitu. Kayak misalkan animasi tentang kucing bisa ngomong, bisa berdiri 2 kaki. Nah, itu kan lifelike namanya ya. Baik. Lalu number 8. It's clearly it's quite clear, yeah. The blah blah protects our country, army. Number 9, we move to grammar. So grammar. Blah 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 Joe, blah 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 Brian wants to go to canteen. They prefer to read a book in the library. The answer is should be neither nor. Yes. Well, it should be neither nor because you see the sentence here. Wants to go to canteen. They prefer to read a book. Jadi baik Joe ataupun Brian itu tidak ada yang mau pergi ke kantin, ya. Mereka lebih memilih membaca buku di perpustakaan because the to be in a positive form, so it should be neither or nor. Kecuali di sininya tulisan begini, bla 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 Joe bla 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 Brian doesn't want. Nah, kalau seperti itu jawabannya udah pasti yang C. Tapi because this one the form is positive but the sentence indicates about negative, so it should be used neither nor. Okay, that's number 9. We move to number 10. Rizky, Rido, Roni, Rama. Rizky, Rido, Roni, Rama. 4. So it should be quadruplets. Ya. Karena triplets, 3 bipeds means 2 kaki, ya. Twins, kembar 2. Okay. All living things are blah 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 need another one to survive. Interdependent. Good. Ya. Blah blah blah. The weather was nice that day. We decided to go to the beach. Although, meskipun, nggak mungkin, ya kan? However, akan tetapi, nggak mungkin juga. Therefore, sehingga, nggak mungkin juga. Therefore, harus ada kalimat awalnya dulu. So, the answer is since. Apa since ini? Sejak, sir. No. Since here means karena. Ya. Since the weather was nice that day, karena cuaca pada saat itu bagus, we decided, kita memutuskan to go to the beach, memutuskan untuk pergi ke pantai. Ya, that's for number 12. Now we move to number 13. Ya, elephants are pasti very good. Number 4, the word below one syllable. You know syllable? Syllable I said as in bahasa penggalan ucapan, ya. Kayak misalkan kaki itu 2 syllable karena ada ka, ada ki. Lalu apalagi kerja, that's 2 syllable. Syllable 1 syllable, 1 syllable. So there are 2 syllable. So for this one, let's check. Iron, 2. Outside, 2. Playful, 2. Strength, strength is only 1. Yeah. Okay, that's for number 14. Now we move to number 15. Fact sentence below is, jadi kalimat yang berupa fakta. Ingat, we have learned about fact and opinion. Opinion can be different from one person to another person. That's opinion. But in these questions, it only needs about fact, tentang fakta. Jadi kalau dogs are the best pets among all animals, it's opinion. Cat is the cutest animal. For me, cute, but I don't know. Another one. Yeah. Money is the most important thing in the world. For some person, yes. Apakah untuk yang lain money is the most important? No, really. Bats are mammals. Apakah ada yang bilang bats itu reptiles? Anyone say bats as a fish, as a bird? No one, because bats are mammals. Okay, that's for the multiple choice. Now we move to the next part. Write the sentences using reduce. Reduce relative clause. The woman who is wearing red shirt is Mrs. Johansson. So which one should we reduce? Who and is. The woman wearing red shirt is Mrs. Johansson. Now we move to B. The office, which is next to your apartment, was occupied by my company. So it should be the office next to your apartment was occupied by my company. Okay. Now, from reduced relative clauses, we move to number 2. Join each pair of sentences using a relative pronoun. Ya. Kalau tadi dihilangkan, sekarang coba untuk digabungkan. Nah, ya. Number 2, I will help you to write it down. The girl is my cousin. Full stop. She's cooking instant noodle. Okay. So it should be the girl who is cooking instant noodle is my cousin. Okay, that should be the answer. Okay, yep. Yep, ini yang B ya. The perfume smells good. It is my uncle's perfume. Yeah. We have 2 here. The perfume smells good. The second one is uncle's perfume. Uncle's perfume. So it should be seperti ini ya. Yeah. It's my uncle's perfume. Okay. So it should be the perfume. Kira-kira pakai apa? Pakai which? Pakai who? Pakai apa lagi? Pakai whom? Yes. Which smells good is my uncle's perfume. Yes, this one is the answer actually. Yeah, the perfume which smells good is my uncle's perfume. Right, so from relative pronoun we move to number 3. Yeah, let me enter. Nah, don't say it. It's about indirect speech. We start from number 1. I am ill now. John said. Dia bisa menjawab. John said that he, karena kita masuknya indirect speech, jadi dia harus naik ya to be-nya. Kalau tadi to be-nya kan karena di sini am, di sini he, di sini am karena dia I, karena di sini he dia harusnya iser, dia bukan is, dia harus naik jadi verb 2, jadinya he was ill. Now-nya ganti dong dengan apa? Then. Seperti ini. Nah, ini jawabannya. Ya, this is the answer. Okay. Alright, this is the answer. Danny and I are going to shop tomorrow. So they said that they sudah pasti karena Benny and Benny and I going. They said that they tadi sini M jadi was, karena di sininya they dia harus menjadi were. They were going to shop tomorrow. In past tense should be, somebody know? The next or following day. Yeah, you may choose one of them. It can be, they said they were going to the shops, to shops the next day, or they said that they were going to shops the following day. Alright, so that's for B. Now we move to C. I read a book last night. So my mother said, jangan lupa dulu pakai kata that, that. My mother should be she. I read a book last night. Nah, karena last night, read kan sudah verb 2, berarti harus verb 3. She has read, ya, has read a book. Masih last night juga. Ayo, sebut last night. Ya, says maybe karena dia si has read, jangan pakai last night lagi. Mungkin for one day, ya. Karena kalau has read, has plus verb 3 itu kan dia harus menggunakan durasi lah, katakanlah seperti itu. Kalau last night itu punyanya past tense, ya. Number 3D. I have watched the game. Nah, di situ udah ada have-nya, berarti Ronald said that he had watched the game. This one. Yeah, I will bold the sentence first. That Ronald said that he had. Kenapa dia he had, sir? Because the sentence, the direct is have, so it should be in should be in the second form. Bentuk kedua dari have adalah had. Ya. Okay, that's for indirect speech. From indirect speech, we move to passive voice. Passive voice ini berarti dibuat menjadi bentuk pasif, ya. The students are writing letters. Berarti letters are writing. Berarti are being. Bab ketiga dari writing, dari write apa? Written. Okay. Written by the students. Passive voice has been discussed in grade 5, so I think you don't have any problem or any trouble with this one, yeah. I hope. Okay, so it should be like this one. Letters are being written by the students. Why it should be are, sir? Because letters more than one. Dan karena dia bentuknya simple present, maka dia pakai are lagi. Nah, beda dengan yang nomor B. Dengan B nih, kira-kira apa? The building. Buildingnya ada berapa? Ya, buildingnya ada satu ruang. Ya, berarti di sini sudah ada have built. Karena sini sudah ada have built, ada kata have, maka have-nya harus dipindahkan ke sini. But because the object is only one, have-nya berubah menjadi has. Tambahkan apa? In. The kata tiga dari build, ya, build, buy, take, and kill. Nah, this one, ya. This one is the answer for B. Yeah. The building has been built by Jack and Jill. Kenapa harus has been, sir? Ingat ya, passive voice itu dia kalau ada ing di sini, dia harus pakai being. Nih, harus pakai being. Tapi kalau dia tidak ada ing, ini nggak ada ing kan? There is no ing here. So it should be put been here. Ya. Loh, terus kenapa di sini has, sir? Karena ininya di sini, karena di kalimat aktifnya dia gunakan kata have, ya. Dan dia have karena Jack and Jill more than one. Kalau dibalik menjadi kalimat pasif, objeknya di depan kan. Nah, because the object is only one, maka have-nya menjadi has. Except the object is more than one, di sini bukan has tapi have. Okay? You got it? Good. My friend was collecting these stamps. Lanjut. Ya. These stamps. Nah, sudah ada was verb ing. Karena was, maka dia bentuknya verb ke ada the verb, ya dia bentuk past tense lagi. Nah, tapi ingat di sini my friend subjeknya only one, tapi these stamps the object is more than one, so was should be were. Apa? Were collecting? No, were being collected by my friend. This one. Okay. For the burglar had stolen the shop. Yeah. So it should be the shop. Nah, itu sudah ada had, ya. Berarti pakai apa? Pakai had lagi. Had been. Ini lebih gampang karena stolen itu sudah bentuk ketiga. Had stolen by the burglar. Okay, that's for the. Now we move collective nouns for animals. I think it's quite easy. Birds. We can answer by writing flock. Yeah, flock of birds. Coda di buku school of fish. Is it now from a? And bees itu sudah pasti a hive of bees. Yeah. There are. Which one? In your book, take a look on page. If you got difficulties, sir, ini dari mana sih, sir, materinya? Materinya itu dari halaman. Sebentar. Halaman tentang collective nouns itu halaman 41, ya. Halaman 41. Di situ ada, nah sudah ada jawab di halaman 42 lebih tepatnya. Di situ ada untuk sheep, ada untuk cows. Nah, sheep itu apa? Sheep itu adalah flock, ya. Flock of sheep and herd, ya. Kita sudah bahas ya tentang collective animals tempo hari. Dan terakhir sudah pasti an army. Yes. Okay, this is the answer. I think it's quite easy for collective nouns for animals. Now we move to either or, neither nor. Ingat, neither nor itu dipakai untuk kalimat yang bentuknya positif tapi maknanya negatif. Ya. Makanya biasanya kalau dia maknanya negatif tapi tidak ada kata not, ya, sekali I repeat, kalau dia bentuknya positif tapi maknanya negatif, you have to use neither nor. Contohnya, she can play in the park. Bla bla bla, in the yard is raining now. Kira-kira kalau raining bisa nggak main zaman? You cannot, ya. Harus kan cannot kan? Nah, ini harus kan cannot. But because this one formnya bentuknya positif kan, that's why makanya harus diganti dengan neither. Neither, so it should be nor. Nah, seperti ini. Ya. 6B, blah blah blah. Andy, blah blah blah. Gina will come to your office because they're having their lunch in canteen. Andi dan Gina nih lagi makan siang di kantin. Jadi kira-kira bisa nggak dia ke office? Nggak bisa. Karena nggak bisa, tapi bentuknya positif seperti ini. Nah, sama seperti di atas. Jawabannya adalah neither Andi nor Gina. Okay. 6C. You have to ride blah 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 bike, blah 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 motorcycle to go to office because the car is repaired. Kamu bisa mengendarai bike, motorcycle untuk ke kantor karena mobil lagi dibenerin. Nah, karena you bisa pilih salah satu, ya, so it should be use either. Ya, either, karena di sini either, maka di sini harus or. Okay, the last one, I would like to remind you, jadi either or dengan neither nor ini it's such kind of choice. Kalau either or, berarti kalian bisa pilih antara salah satu ya dari pilihan itu. Tapi kalau neither nor, you cannot choose both of them. Meskipun ada dua pilihan, tapi dua pilihan itu tidak bisa dipilih oleh kalian. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thanks for your attention to watch this video. If you have any question, you may put the comment below the video, or you may text me immediately after watch this video. Okay, thank you. See you. Bye.